Many men over 40 spend a fortune on pills promising energy, vitality, and performance. But the truth is, most of these quick fixes don't address the real problem: your lifestyle and circulation. Today we're looking at simple, natural routines that support men's health, boost energy, and improve circulation, without spending a dime on unnecessary supplements. Section 1. Move your body for better circulation. Circulation is the key to vitality. Sitting too long or being inactive can slow blood flow and make you feel sluggish. Daily movement, even just 20 to 30 minutes of walking, cycling, or light stretching, keeps blood moving, strengthens muscles, and improves energy levels. Over time, this also supports hormone balance and overall wellness. Section 2. Eat foods that support vitality. What you eat directly affects your energy, circulation, and hormone health. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fish with healthy oils can keep blood vessels strong and support stamina. Avoid heavy processed foods, excess sugar, and alcohol. These can reduce blood flow and slow recovery. Small changes in your diet can make a huge difference over time. Section 3. Manage stress and boost recovery. Stress is one of the biggest hidden factors that affect energy and circulation. High stress raises cortisol, which can block testosterone and reduce vitality. Simple habits like deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or gentle stretching before bed help your body relax, improve blood flow, and restore energy overnight. Section 4. Sleep your way to health. Good sleep is when your body repairs itself. Lack of deep sleep can lower energy, circulation, and hormone balance. Aim for a consistent bedtime, keep your bedroom cool and dark, and avoid screens 30 minutes before sleep. A solid sleep routine can dramatically improve how you feel each day. Section 5. Natural boosts that really work. Instead of wasting money on pills, consider natural boosters like green tea, ginseng, or ginger. These support circulation, energy, and overall vitality safely. Combined with a healthy lifestyle, they work as a simple, natural daily routine that keeps your body strong. Section 6. Regular health checkups. Finally, never underestimate the power of regular checkups. Blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar tests can catch hidden problems early. Maintaining overall health ensures your body can stay energized and resilient. Prevention is always better and cheaper than trying to fix issues later. So remember, you don't need expensive pills to feel stronger, healthier, and more energetic. Daily movement, healthy foods, stress management, good sleep, natural boosters, and regular checkups are all you need. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment about your favorite routine, and subscribe for more simple men's health advice. Your best health starts with small daily habits.